Experiencing issues with your Xfinity gateway? Let's get it back online. First, address power issues. Check that the gateway is properly plugged into a working outlet, ideally using a surge protector to prevent damage. Look for the gateway's indicator lights. If there are no lights, try a different outlet or replace the power cord. If the lights are on but your internet isn't working, power cycle the gateway. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary connectivity glitches. Confirm that all cable connections are secure, ensuring the coaxial cable is firmly attached to both the gateway and the wall. If using a Wi-Fi connection, ensure your device is connected to the correct network and that you have entered the password correctly. Ethernet versus Wi-Fi diagnostics are crucial. Test wired connections to isolate router issues. If power cycling doesn't resolve the issue, a factory reset may be necessary. Locate the reset button on the back of your Xfinity gateway and hold it down for 30 seconds until the lights start flashing. This will restore the gateway to its default settings, erasing any custom configurations like Wi-Fi passwords or port forwarding rules. So make sure to back up any important settings if possible. After the reset, use the Xfinity app to set up your gateway. Download the app from the iOS or Android App Store and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your gateway using the QR code scanning option. The app also provides access to parental controls, speed tests, and real-time monitoring of your network, and AI-driven diagnostics to detect potential firmware conflicts and other issues, offering guided fixes. Check for firmware updates via the app to ensure your gateway has the latest security and performance enhancements.